In today's fast-paced industrial world, reliable power and uninterrupted performance are critical to success. At DVM Compressors, we deliver trusted air compression solutions that keep your operations running smoothly. We offer a wide variety of air compressors, from piston and screw compressors to industrial and commercial solutions, designed to meet the unique demands of every business, big or small. Built with advanced technology and precision engineering, DVM compressors ensure high efficiency, durability, and consistent performance even in the toughest environments. We also provide a complete range of genuine spare parts, ensuring quick replacements, reduced downtime, and long-lasting machine life, all under one trusted name. With reliable service, expert support, and cost-effective solutions, DVM Compressors is your long-term partner in productivity,